Sending money through PayPal is a straightforward process that provides a secure and convenient way to transfer funds to individuals or businesses. Here's how it works. Log in. Sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one for free. Navigate to Send Money. Once logged in, locate the Send and Request tab or option in your PayPal account dashboard. Click on it to initiate a money transfer. Enter recipient details. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number linked to their PayPal account. You can also select the recipient from your list of contacts if they are already saved in your PayPal account. Specify amount and currency. Enter the amount of money you want to send and select the currency if applicable. PayPal supports multiple currencies for international transfers. Choose payment method. Select the funding source for the payment, such as your PayPal balance, linked bank account, credit card, or debit card. Review and confirm. Double-check the transaction details, including the recipient's information and the amount, before confirming the payment. Complete transaction. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the payment to initiate the transfer. PayPal will securely process the transaction and send the funds to the recipient's PayPal account. Notification. Both you and the recipient will receive a notification confirming the successful transfer of funds.